Hello everyone. Today we will learn Python. So what is the Python and why we are going to learn the Python? So Python is the high level programming language that is used to computer program. It is one of the highest and easiest language nowadays because basis of that you can come into AI field. Nowadays you know that the AI is everywhere and how we can write code in AI. So Python is by which we can write anything in AI for the AI. Right. So first of all, if you want to go in AI field, Gen AI field, then need to learn Python first. So let's discuss about the Python and how we will write the code in Python. Right. So for that, first of all, you need to install the VS Code, which I had already installed. You can see that this is the VS Code, right? And in that code, I have developed step by step all the programs by which we can understand what is the Python and how we can write the code in Python, right? So this is the first one. What is the variables? Right. So how we write in Python variables, come to the step one. This is the basic variable definition. You can write like this: name Rahul, age 22, price 95. So you can see this name is the type of string, right? And this variable age, which is the integer, right? And the price, which is the float. So everything here, whenever you mouse over on that part, it will told you what the things and how we can write the things, right? So this is the very simple. There is no need to define anything like VS C sharp code, variable type and all these things. Only write that variable and define the type. Or there is no need to define the sorry. There is no need to define the type. Direct declare the variable value. It will understood means that Python language understood what exactly the variable type is, right? And after that defining all the variable need to show. So for that we simply use print command, right? If you will mouse over the print is the function by which we can print the value of the stream or sys.str by default. Means whatever you need to print, we can use the print command and get the value, right? As well as here you can see I am printing the name, age, and also I am okay. Let's run that command. So from here we can run that Python file, right? You can see Rahul and age was 22. I added this one. Now I am writing print. You can see it's automatically comes. Now the output is Rahul, age, and the price. So this is the way we declare the variable and print the variable. Thank you.